Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm really excited because today I received my very first order from Ebony at the Rosette Guru on Instagram. I was surfing around one day and I ran across some postings that she had about some products she was featuring for Easter. She had some beads, some rosettes, some cabochons, and things like that. And so I went on over to her channel and I started shopping around and I found some goodies that I was interested in. Unfortunately, I did miss out on some of the things I wanted, but that's the nature of Instagram. You either see it right away and order it, or, you miss out. So anyway, I did find a few things I wanted, and there were some things that were sold out, but she was so kind as to custom make some things for me. So I want to share that with you today. So I opened up the box and I was so excited to see all this beautiful pink Easterness going on here. So yeah, she's got her little sticker here. It's got some foam tape on the back, and so she is Ebony at the Rosette Guru, and I love that little picture she's got on there. So adorable. And a little bunny here, and it looks like she must put the foam dots on the back of everything so that her presentation stays nice. So she has this cute little bunny die cut that she put in with the little flower puffed up on some puffy tape. So that's cute. Thank you, Ebony, for that. And we've got some little fuzzy balls here. Those are cute. All the beautiful shreddiness. So I'm going to move that aside. And she's got it wrapped up in this really pretty springy pink tissue paper. So let's get inside. Ooh, how cute. Look at this. She included this cute little bunny Ziploc bag here. So that is perfect for Easter. I think that'd be great for my grandkids. Oh yeah. I can see some little goodies all tucked away in there for, uh-oh. You see the little paw here? Did you see that paw? You guess who's sitting right next to me wanting to know what's going on? Yep, you guessed it. KeeKee. He's inspecting like usual. So yeah, I'm going to have to hide these little balls because he will run off with those. And I'm just going to adjust my camera a little bit. It looks a little lopsided to me. I don't know what's going on there. So anyway, let's see what we got here. So what got me at first was she had some beads that she was selling. And some of the ones I wanted were already sold out, but I did find these, and they're super, super cute. So let me share those with you. These are peach-colored pumpkin beads. So look at that. So, so cute. Okay, so little Mr. KeeKee is messing around with the shred again. And these beads, I can't recall. Maybe it's 20 in a pack, and they were only $1.50. Yeah, so let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yeah, so 20 of these beads for $1.50. So I thought that was a great deal. So I got 1 pack of those, and then I got 2 packs of the pink of the same kind of beads. And so these were also 20 for $1.50. I'm going to zoom in just a tiny bit here. Not too much. And by the way, KeeKee ran off, so hopefully he won't be messing around with anything. So here are the pink ones. So those are really pretty. Yeah, can't wait to use those. And then she was out of her spring and Easter rosettes when I was shopping, but she was kind enough to offer to make some for me special order. So I told her I wanted 2 sets of 6. So you can see I've got a second package here. And I'm going to open up one of these packs for you guys to take a quick peek at. So I told her, I said, surprise me with the colors. I just want spring colors. And so I have a pack of 6 here. We've got blue, purple, 2 whites, a yellow, and a pink. And I'm just going to give you a really close-up look there of all of the beautiful sequin mix she's got on there. So, so pretty. So pretty. I love how thick and dense these are. Oh, look, she's got a little glittery piece on the back. So those are the rosettes I got. And like I said, I had 2 packs. And then I wanted some trim, and of course she was already out of her Easter trim. So she was kind of, oops, something just fell out of the package. Oh, look at these cute little bunny cutouts. I wonder if she stamped and colored these herself. It kind of looks like it. They're so cute. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then, so anyway, she was out of her bunny trim, so she did special make some for me, and I'm really, really happy about that, because look at how cute this is. Won't this be cute on some Easter projects, especially for my beautiful little 1-year-old granddaughter? I love it. So anyway, that is my haul, and like I said, it's my first order from Ebony's shop, and I am totally, totally happy with everything I got. It came really, really fast in a beautiful box. I love the way she presented everything, and yeah, I'm really happy with this, and I can't wait to do some crafting with it. So I hope you enjoyed these. Don't forget to hop on over to her shop on Instagram. It is the Rosette Guru, and I'm looking to see if I have something. Oh, she doesn't have it written down here, but I'm going to write it down for you. So it's the _Rosette _Guru. There you go. So that's how you'll find her on Instagram. And I will put some information about her in the description box below. I hope you found some inspiration in all of these fun, beautiful, springy Easter items I picked up from Ebony's shop. And yes, I can't wait to start using them. Easter is coming fast and furious, and I've got to get some Easter crafting done. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate everybody, and I'll see you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.